Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify App Store for dropshipping tools. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store by clicking on the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, click on Visit the Shopify App Store to open the store. Once in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to find dropshipping tools for apps. Type keywords such as dropshipping into the search bar and press enter. Scroll through the search results to find a dropshipping app that fits your needs. Click on the app you are interested in for more details. Take a moment to read the app description, features, and user reviews. Check the pricing details to ensure it aligns with your budget. If you're satisfied, click the Add App button. You will be redirected back to your Shopify admin page. A prompt may appear asking for permissions to install the app. Review the permissions and click Install App to proceed. After installation, you may need to configure the app settings. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app for initial setup. Complete any registration required by the app to access its features. Explore the app dashboard to familiarize yourself with its tools and capabilities. You are now ready to start using the dropshipping tools from the Shopify App Store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.